Alright, hi there everybody. I wanted to hop on here and make a video that I hope will be helpful to you when you come on our website to shop. A few months ago, well actually not a few months ago, but almost a year ago, we came out with a blog post that helped you navigate using our search bar to find what you were looking for. And since then we've added a few new features, one being the yarn weight filtering. And I just wanted to show you guys how to find that and how to use that today. So if you are coming to our website and this is our home page, and say you are wanting to look for yarn, it's down here. I'm going to click on shop, and this is going to bring you to all the yarn that we have. And from here you can kind of get a little bit more specific. So whether you're looking for a weaving yarn, a knitting yarn, crochet, punch and hook, other weaving materials, Scandinavian yarns, color cards. But for today, we're just going to be focusing on weaving and the knitting to help you kind of figure out what you're looking for. So if you click on shop here, it's going to bring you to all of our weaving yarns. And over here, you can filter by what type of loom, you can filter by brand, you can filter by weaving weight, which is one of our new features, and you can also filter by material, and you can do set, physical weight, and by customer rating. But for today, we're just going to be focusing on the weaving weight and showing you guys how to navigate this. So once you click on weaving weight over here on the sidebar, it's going to pull up all the available weaving weights that we have. Let's click on 8-2. So if you click on 8-2, it's going to bring up all the 8-2 weaving yarns that we have, and there are 12 results. And you can kind of filter through those. Now, if you want to get a little bit more specific than just the weight, you can go down here to material, and it'll have all of these options that you can pick from. So say you're wanting cotton. You click on cotton, and then it'll pull up cotton 8-2 weaving yarn. And it's as simple as that. And then, so say you want to keep all the cotton weaving yarns, but you don't want 8-2. You can go up here and click that little X, and it'll show you all of the cotton weaving yarns. So the filters kind of work in conjunction with each other. The more filters you use, the more specific you're going to get. So don't be discouraged if you do something super specific and nothing pops up, because that means that we don't have that particular combination. But this should help with finding certain sizes and kind of sifting through all of our yarns that might have the same colors but are different. Because if you look right here, this is a cotton 8-2 yarn, and this is an 8-4, but their colors are essentially the same. It's very easy to get those mixed up if you're not paying attention. So that's a little bit on filtering out by weaving weight. I'm going to go back here to our main yarn page. And now let's take a look at knitting yarns. So if you click on knitting yarns, it's going to bring up all of the knitting yarns that we have. And you might see some overlap with our weaving yarns too, because, you know, some people might use something that, like, for instance, our Gusto Carmen yarn and our Sandnes Garn Alpaca Silky, we wove with those in 2 projects that you guys really liked. But they are in our knitting category because they are also knitting yarns. So if you go over here to the sidebar again, you're going to look at yarn weight, and you can click for whatever you're looking for. Let's do a sport. So if you click on that, it's going to bring up all of our sport weight yarns. So there's a few options there, and you can further filter by material. So if you want to do wool, there you go. There are 6 results for wool sport weight yarn. I really hope that this helps you guys navigate our website a little bit better. We do have a lot of yarns, and we are adding more yarns. So this filter system hopefully helps you find exactly what you're looking for, exactly what you're needing, or at the very least point you in the right direction, so that way if you do have questions and call us, we can better help you over the phone. But other than that, I hope this was a helpful video, and if there's anything else that you guys have questions about, just let me know, and we will do our best to try and help you guys have the best shopping experience possible.